Hey, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. Aloha from the beautiful Garden Island. I'm out at one of the 9 golf course resorts just walking with my puppy. And nice blustery day. This is the Hokule'a Resort. There's the old clubhouse being completely remodeled. I love when I walk this path in the morning sometimes. These mountains. You can hardly beat that. And of course, my walking companion, Ipo. Here's one of the cool things they've done along one of the lava rock walls in the walking path. All kind coconuts. All the way to the end of the bridge. Okay. Hope you have a great weekend.